In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add date and time in Jotform. By the end, you'll know exactly where to find the date picker, how to configure it for your needs, and how to quickly confirm everything works before sharing your form. First, open your form. Head over to jotform.com and go to My Forms. From your list, select the form you want to edit, then click Edit Form. This takes you into the form builder, where you can add fields and customize the layout. If you're creating a new form, you can still follow along. These steps are the same. Now add a date field. On the left side, you'll see Form Elements. Under the Basic section, look for the date picker. If you don't spot it right away, use the search bar at the top of that panel and type Date. Drag the date picker into your form and drop it exactly where you want it to appear. You can always drag it again to reposition it, so don't worry about placing it perfectly the first time. Next, let's configure the date field so it behaves the way you need. Click the date picker field to select it, then click the gear icon to open properties. Under the Options tab, choose your date format. You might use MMDDYYYY for US audiences, DDMMYYY for many international users, or YYYMMDD if you prefer a clear, sortable format. If you want people to pick a time along with the date, great for appointments or scheduling, toggle Include Time. That adds a time selector right beside the calendar. You can also set the default date. Pick today if you want the current date to pre-fill, none if you want it blank, or choose a specific date for events. Finally, decide whether this field should be required so respondents can't skip it. Switch to the Appearance tab to polish how it looks. Update the field label to something clear like appointment date and time so people know what's expected. You can adjust font and color to match your form's style. Keep accessibility in mind by choosing readable contrasts and straightforward labels. When you're done, preview and test. Click the eye icon to open the live preview. Try selecting a date, open the calendar, and if you enabled time, pick a time as well. Check that the format displays as you chose, and if it's required, confirm the form warns you when the field is left blank. Glance at the mobile view to ensure the picker is easy to use on smaller screens. That's it, your Jotform now collects date and if you turned it on time in a clean, user-friendly way.